Hi, I'm Allison Campbell, and I'm here with Allison and Pubudu, and we're here to talk about, we're here in PNNL's Discovery Hall, which is a place where we bring the scientific community together to talk about science. And first, before we get started talking science, can you tell me a little bit about yourselves?
Sure. I've been at EMSL for almost 5 years. I'm a data scientist, so I help people analyze their data and stuff. My background is in bioengineering and bioinformatics, so really integrated between the mathematicians, statisticians, and biologists.
Very cool.
And I am a plant biologist. I am originally from Sri Lanka. I got my bachelor's in plant biotechnology and my doctoral degree from UMass Amherst, again in plant biology.
And how long have you guys kind of been here? You said 5 years?
About 5 years.
I have been here a little over 4 years.
4 years, okay, awesome. Well, recently, so we're here to talk about, sort of scientific meetings and bringing scientists together. And we recently had a big scientific meeting here around our user facility, EMSL, that you guys helped organize. You were one of the organizers, and you led a scientific tutorial. And so I'm interested in sort of what you see as the value of these scientific and technical meetings, and what do you get out of them as a participant and as an organizer or a leader of a tutorial?
So I think it's very important to engage in your science themes, communities, and talk about certain themes. So I feel like that's exactly what we did with this meeting. We brought scientists from all around the world and discussed a common topic, plants, soils, and aerosols. I feel it's timely, relevant, and even I personally learned a lot from the meeting. Being a plant scientist, I was able to learn more about how we might be able to interact with geologists or atmospheric scientists and expand our research. So I feel like it's very useful.
Yeah, the topic is very interdisciplinary, as you said, chemists, biologists, statisticians, computational folks. And it seems to where science is really going, is in this multidisciplinary, and these are an avenue for us to get a common language and a common understanding of the challenges before us. So, okay, so you both are early career individuals, and I think one of the greatest things that early career scientists can do is organize these things and reach out to the community. And so did you find that valuable, scary, both?
A little bit of both. It was I think we planned it for about a year.
Yeah, okay.
So trying to reach out to the scientists that are leading these different areas of science and getting to know them, because some of it is familiar, but most of it is not familiar.
It's a great way to network.
Yeah, exactly. It was a great way. And I feel like I personally learned a lot, just even about us. Like how to bring all these different pieces together. Like it was not just the staff, like the scientists. It was all the administrative staff, or the protocol office, or the communications group. So being able to communicate with them and to kind of try to understand how everything works together.
So a value for you.
Extremely.
Yeah, and how about you? So you led a tutorial. Can you explain what the tutorials are and what you try to gain from that?
Yeah, so we led a tutorial on data visualization where we wanted to showcase a bunch of different packages that we've developed here at PNNL across both the Environmental Directorate and the National Security Directorate, making a whole bunch of packages so that people are able to easier visualize and analyze their data in a more reproducible and robust manner. So we led this tutorial on how to use all of these packages and what's the similarities and differences, and I think it was really great. I think at EMSL we have a unique opportunity where we do have a bunch of the interdisciplinary scientists there and a bunch of different people working together, and a lot of other places I think don't have that quite so much, and so we're helping to show that you can do a lot more if you engage a statistician or a data scientist, and that we're trying to make these tools so that it's easier for you to do your job. Let me do what I'm good at and make these tools for other people to get to the interpretation and the results faster.
So both timely topics, because I think, our climate is changing. The plant, atmosphere, soil interactions are critical to understand. Data is exploding. People like me, trained scientists, don't understand how to get what I need out of data because it's complex. So very timely and important topics. So what's the one thing that you guys learned that was really surprising to you that you hadn't, you didn't know? It was either aha I didn't know this, or I wish I'd have known this, or what?
I mean, I knew nothing about volatile organic compounds, so I had no idea what a big area of study they are and how many different people are researching them and all of the different reasons they're researching them.
So now you know why pine trees smell the way they do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for me, like the breadth and depth we covered for soils.
Yeah.
Even though, I mean, I use soil as a medium for my plants.
Yes. It's pretty complex, isn't it?
There's a lot more to
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah.
I learned a lot.
And what advice would you give to anybody who's thinking about like an early career person who's thinking about organizing a session either at a technical conference here at the laboratory or at a society?
I think it might feel like, it's daunting, it's challenging, but I think you should go for it. There's enough support if you reach out. I think so. I even volunteered for this. When the theme came up, I felt like
That's you.
That is very relevant to what I study, so I wanted to volunteer. So I feel like you should go for those opportunities. And then if you reach out, there is always help.
Yeah.
There's always support.
So the key there is reach out, ask for help. Yeah. You?
Yeah. It was terrifying.
Yeah.
But I think you got to do the things that terrify you at least sometimes.
Stretch. So you're saying stretch, reach out, ask for help. Very good. Well, thanks. I mean, I heard it was a great conference and that the tutorials were awesome as always. And I guess I'll look forward to coming to the next one you guys organize, and I'll maybe code a line or two. We'll see. All right. Well, thanks, you guys.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.